Hi friends, this is Manal from Edmatrix here to rescue you with an O-level English course. We all know English often makes zero sense. We don't even know what it is that we don't know. To facilitate and deepen your understanding of the subject, I am offering O-level English students an opportunity to polish their reading and writing skills and feel more confident. I will be using a variety of teaching tools to help you understand the syllabus and assessment objectives. This course includes lecture videos where I'll be taking you through each reading and writing task by showing you do's and don'ts and using some fun visual and reading exercises to help you improve the way you write. I have for you some mini past paper walkthroughs where we will plan out our essays, answer comprehension questions, look at previous candidate responses, and so on. Additionally, I have made grammar lectures where we revise some grammar basics and we look at important concepts of diction and syntax. I have also put together sample essays and vocabulary lists that you can sift through whenever you like and that will hopefully help make writing as easy a task as possible. And now finally, I have created some super exciting quizzes that you can take while on the go to help test your knowledge as we move along, and you will also receive immediate feedback on these quizzes so you'll know exactly how you're doing in the course. I hope you're as excited as I am. Join me on this journey now, and let's begin learning.